Unidentified Minds and Unbroken Bonds in 3 packs. And of course, in addition to that, we have 2 cute kittens with us.
Yeah, one just jabbed their claw into my foot. Ow.
Have you ever shown this one?
Here, Lynn. Yeah, he's a boy. We need to cut his claws. Awkward silence. Oh my God.
Actually, so here's your 6 and here's my 6. So I actually show you them and you have to close your eyes and pick one.
Yeah.
Pick one. That one.
Can I open it or do I have to have my eyes closed to open it?
You open it. So if you hear some noise, now kitten, which is no. Oh,
Knocking stuff
the
off.
couch just saved my Joy-Con.
It should be put up correctly.
Mm.
Oh, did I not show? I don't think I showed. Did I? Unbroken Bond.
Wonder what I'm gonna get.
Tangela. Ooh. Shiny Rhyhorn.
Okay.
Ooh. We don't have that one. And our Melto collection.
So you hold these for
I'm
me.
gonna say, aren't these yours? Hold on. You grabbed
Ellipsy.
2.
Okay, it's just the same. It's 2 unidentified minds. Do do do.
Lucy.
So let's see what I get. Then I'm gonna check. Ooh, a shiny Salazzle,
Oh, we don't have
a
that
Magnemite, and a Fire Energy.
one. Hi, Lucy. Come here.
We actually have our shyest foster kitty called Lucy. She's very shy.
My face.
And now close your eyes since I'm going to go ahead and do yours. Pick one. Ow.
You make me feel like a card.
You just broke my eye.
Whoops. Unified Mind.
Wonder what she's going to get. Move the back one to the front. Has actually found out the middle one is the best
Recycled
one.
energy. Acnu, Aqua,
Axio.
and Latias.
Well, here's mine.
Excuse me.
Hey, what is that?
Teeth. Why do you grab 2?
Oopsie. I want to.
Because he wants to set.
I got a Rebel Clash. Got a Rebel Clash. My favorite. Then when I forgot to tell you that on our Force of Darkness Ablaze pack, my mom got a Rainbow Rail Butterfree, a Energy, a Milcery,
Your camera's upside.
and a Growlithe. There we go. And well,
Hey.
so we're actually now going to pick ours. I'm just going to pick one for mine.
I can't see.
Look, I got a Rebel Clash. See, this this is gonna be my first time
Glider.
opening Unbroken Bonds. Can I see? Ooh.
De-Evolution Spray Z.
Can I see? Oh. I never heard of
And
that.
a Litten.
Okay, time to
Yeah,
see what I get from my Teleon Rebel Clash.
And yes, I'm separating out the cards, the ones I know we don't have, the ones we have.
So we got a shiny Caterpie.
Ooh.
We got an Impidimpi. Then we got a Glarow Mine.
I'm going to open the Rebel Clash Sword and Shield. Okay, cat. You gonna fart on you.
Sorry, I just tried to eat the cat's tail.
Excuse me, that's my necklace. Excuse me, that's my necklace. Yes, I know. Tastes horrible, doesn't it? Goes around my neck. Ooh. I'm not gonna even try and say that name.
Colossal.
Sure. Bundle B
It's actually Colossal.
and Luxo.
I'm opening Unbroken Bonds. This is my first ever time opening one of these. I never opened one before. Of course, the thing had to break on me. That won't stop
Is
me.
that when you stopped collecting Pokemon cards? Is that why we've never opened any Unbroken Bonds?
Yes. So let's see. A Oxwile, a Gligar, and a Metapod. Here.
Okay, I picked up the Unified Minds.
These are the cards I opened before the bid.
Excuse you. I didn't even look at that one. I just held it up. Sneasel, Hondedge, and Taurus.
I'm actually going to open mine.
If you knock my cards down. No.
So everyone, I'm actually opening a Unbroken Bonds pack. See what I get. Let's see. A Shining Crobat,
Ooh, we don't have that one.
a Ghastly, and an Energy.
We don't have the Crobat. So, hold on, we're going to move you around, so just careful. That's part of our Poke collection of cards.
Yep,
And then there's more sitting over there if you can see them.
that's all of our great Pokemon collection.
Battery's going dead, so we better hurry.
Sorry.
Can't hit the button. Alright, my last one's Rebel Clash.
And my last one's Unified Minds. So we're gonna go ahead and try to go quick since
It wasn't my Pokemon cards, were okay. A Gyarados, shiny. Shiny Gyarados.
Whoa!
Vulpix. And we have that one.
A Pyodove, a Pikachu, and a Togega.
Okay.
So,
So, in other words, a Pidove.
bye
A
everyone.
Pikachu. Hold on.
And
You gonna
it's
show the
kind-
ones you got before real quick before the power goes out?
So I got a Stunfish, a Finnan, a Fire Energy, a Golbat, Pikachu, Grubbin, Lodilly, Magmite, and Quankadonk.
Ow, ow.
So bye everyone. See you in our next vid. Bye.